My name is Dominic Drews. Today I gave a talk here at JP2. We had a community night for high school.
Okay, how about you? No sausage either? Oh my goodness. That's so good? Okay. You're welcome. Two, one?
I'll take two.
Two? Okay.
I gave a talk about sort of my faith journey and coming to know love and God as one, and how that relates to these high schoolers coming into college in these next few months.
I want you all to look around this room. There are some pretty amazing people here. If you're a high schooler about to start your college journey in this area, I promise you that you can benefit from the people in this room and good fellowship. But most importantly, I want you to look at this guy right here. There is no love that can match his love for us. And also, he's like just chilling in the other room. So maybe go talk to him sometime. Most of